Hi, Mark Emerson from MTech. Today we're going to be looking at the problem of potholes in the carriageway. Got a great solution here, our permanent pothole repair. I'm going to show you in 4 easy steps how this can be solved quickly, easily and economically. We'll start off with a quick brush out of the hole. Just removing any loose debris, any stones. Having a quick spray of our SCJ, which is a cold joint sealer. This also acts as a tack coat, prevents any water ingress into the pothole. Spray around the edges. Like so. And then we're going to place the permanent pothole repair into the hole. The product can be used in wet, dry, freezing conditions. No weather conditions, no effect on the performance of the pothole. Just fill the pothole up. So keeping it slightly proud. And a quick tamp. Job done, on to the next one.